It's early morning in my backyard. Hi, it's Sandy Wiley. And finally, birds, not squirrels now, birds are feeding from the bird feeder. So I'm hoping to catch some really fun birds this morning. Oh, they all flew off. Because I have a lot of different variety of birds in my backyard. It's not just common wrens. I have blue jays. I have beautiful red, vibrant red cardinals. I have a pair of doves. I have woodpeckers. As you can see, this is a very, very, very tall oak tree in my yard. So I have woodpeckers, finches. I have hummingbirds. You know, I don't have a hummingbird feeder, but my neighbors do. I should buy one. I love hummingbirds. So I'm hoping to catch those birds as well. Or anything else that comes my way. There's like, I think there's 2 of them right now. Feeding. I see the jay. Oh, the jay is so elusive. Trying to get him. I love the jay because I love his plumage. I love the pattern on his back. Beautiful colored bird. I think he's feeding on a worm up there. Oh, there's another jay. Oh. See, I love that color blue. I love that pattern. But the jay eats a lot of worms too. There's another bird. Shiny black. I don't think this is a crow. This is another bird. I don't know what species of bird this is. And there's a jay. Finally. Success. I've been waiting here all morning. Since it got light out around a little after 5, before 5:30. I've been waiting patiently. It's paying off. Patience pays off always. You hear that, folks? Patience pays off. Oh. Cardinal. Oh man, does patience pay off? Cardinals are one of my favorite birds. They're very elusive. He just flew off. Those birds are so elusive. They're very, very hard. Very hard to get a picture of or to get on film. There he is again. Very hard. They're coming out now. See, I think once one comes out, they all come out. There's the cardinal again. See him? Hear that bird? There's a lot of bird seed on the ground. The squirrels climb on that bird feeder and they end up spilling all the bird seed on the ground. And I get chipmunks, bunny rabbits, adorable baby bunny rabbits eating off of all that bird seed. Oh, I wonder if that's it. Got my bird bath right here. I have to change it. I didn't want to disturb the birds. See, do a scan. That oak tree is immense. I have all these trees. Look at, oh my God, it keeps going way up to the sky. One year I had dead baby squirrels on my deck. They were intact too, so no one got, like an animal didn't get them. I think they must have fallen out of the tree or something. Now we're just waiting.